We'll guide you through how to check your watch history on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. There are different ways you can do this, so make sure it's this full video and you can decide on the one you prefer and use that. So for the first way, we can go and press the menu button in the bottom right. On some devices, it's going to be in the top right and you need to go and press on it there, and it will bring you to the menu page. Next, you need to go to the top right. There you're going to see the gear or cog icon, or you can scroll down and press settings and privacy and then press settings. Once you're in the settings, you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option or the section called your activity. And within here, you can then go and press activity log, like so. You would then be brought here. From here, you need to go and find the option for your Facebook activity and you can go and tap on it. And in here, you can go and find the option for posts and you can go and press manage posts, like so. It will then go and load. Then what you can do is in the top left, you can go and press the filters option and you can press categories. Find the option for videos you've watched and you'll then go and see the history here. If you want to go and clear it, you can press the clear button at the top, or if it's just one of them, you can press the three dots to the right and delete it. From here though, you can't go and watch them again or get to the actual video. If you want to do that, head to the bottom of Facebook and you go and find the Reels button. On some devices, it will be at the top. Then you can press the search in the top right like so. If you can't see it, scroll up or down and it should reveal it. Then if you go over to the right of Reels you've watched, you can press see all. Then you'll go and see the Reels you've got and watched here. And if you want to go and watch them again, all you need to do is go and click on it and they'll go and start playing. From here though, you can't go and delete. So that is sort of the downside from the second method. So that's it. If you found this useful, want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future.